We all know a good download manager is a lifesaver for daily tasks, but what happens when it just stops? You click a link and nothing. No download box, no progress bar. Don't worry, it's a common glitch, and we're going to fix it right now. First, a quick reality check. Sometimes Windows 11 marks perfectly legit apps, like our open source AB download manager, as suspicious. It's not a virus. If you're facing a similar issue, make sure to watch the video in the cards above. Let's get past it. Let's start fresh. First, go to your browser extensions and remove the AB Download Manager extension. Next, go to your control panel or settings and uninstall the AB Download Manager desktop app. Now head over to the official site, abdownloadmanager.com. Click Get the app and download the correct installer for your system, usually the Windows x64 version. While that's downloading, don't forget to grab the official browser extension from the link on their site. Keeping these two in sync is the key to that connected status. Now run the installer. AB Download Manager delivers that classic IDM speed and reliability for free, but with a sleek, modern UI that doesn't feel like it's from the 90s. While IDM is a legend, AB is the open-source champion for anyone who wants a lightweight, aesthetic, and high-performance downloader without the price tag. And let's test it out. Click a download link. And boom, there's the download box. If this video helped you get back to high-speed downloading, hit that like button and subscribe to WebTrack for more tech fixes. See you later, alligator!